So how can this and this be the exact same thing? I know it seems crazy, but they truly are the exact same thing. And I'm gonna walk you through it. Bye, Finn. What's up, YouTubers? Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic as always. And today we're gonna be walking through a very basic fill, but talking about like, well, what if you were new to the drums? Could you use this fill like note for note? Absolutely. What if you weren't so new to the drums and you were more of an intermediate drummer? Well, what do we do with that same fill? Do we play it exactly the same way? No, we could definitely graduate it to something more fun, a little bit more spicy. And then what if you're an advanced drummer and you're like, okay, I'm ready, I'm at the Thai restaurant and I'm ready for full spice, let's go. And then what about pro? Where do we go with this exact same idea as a pro drummer? So let's get into it. The fill itself, extremely simple. We're feeling this as 16th notes. This is the beginner version. We've got 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and we're gonna play 6-6-4. So a grouping of 6 of right, left, kick, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of those are singles. Right, left, kick, kick. We're gonna do that twice in a row. Then we're gonna do 4 more singles. So the entire fill is 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a, let's try that together. Nice and medium slow, 70 BPM. Now, if you are a beginning drummer and you're starting to work on this stuff, I would tell you, try to push that to about 100 to 110 BPM. I know it's gonna be fast in the beginning, but just chip away 1 BPM at a time until you get there, and try to move those 4 single strokes around the kit. Now it's time for level 2, so let's push this thing into the intermediate realm. Well, what is the real fill here? What's the real concept? It's really that 6, right? Right, left, kick, kick. Now we felt that as 16th notes. To push it to the intermediate level, we're gonna change the subdivision. We're gonna go to 16th note triplets. Well, the cool thing about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in 16th note triplets is it fits right on the downbeat. 1 into 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna change this just a little bit by accenting the first note and the 4th note. That'll give it more of a triplet feel. Now, because our fill now ends with 2 kicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at the end, it's gonna be too hard to play those 2 kicks and another kick to get out of it and hit the crash. So what I want you to do is finish the fill with all single strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Oh, look who's back. Finn's back. All right, now just like with the beginner version, we want to push ourselves a little bit. That's the template of the intermediate fill, but we need to individualize it. How are we going to make it our own? That usually comes through orchestration. So for me, what I'm going to do, Finn, I need you to, Finn, I love you. I love you. Oh, all right, here we go. I'm going to go with my 4 single strokes being right, left, right, left. I need to use the kick, kick, kick. You're the best, dude. All right, once again, right, left, kick, kick. I'll do that 3 times in a row, and then for the 6 singles at the end, I'm gonna go snare, rack, floor, 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 floor to get out of it at 100 BPM. I don't care how advanced you are, that is an epic fill. That is a practical fill. You can use that for the rest of your life. All right, level 3, advanced. And for this one, we're still using that right, left, kick. Remember, that's the idea that we're pushing from beginner to intermediate to advanced to pro. And I want you to put your right hand on the hi-hat, left hand is gonna be ghosted on the snare, and you're just gonna play those same 6 notes. Right, left, kick. But here's the catch. I want you to not accent the first note on the hi-hat, right, left, and then I do want you to accent the second hit on the hi-hat. So right, left, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna play this as 30-second notes. We'll do it 4 times in a row, and then we're gonna crash on beat 4. I'll show you what I mean, nice and slow, 60 BPM. Now, obviously at 60 BPM, it doesn't sound very good because that's our learning tempo, but we kick that thing up to about 100. Before you start typing, that'll get you fired. Where are you getting fired? On a fusion gig? Not getting fired for that one. If anything, you're getting a nod from the bass player and maybe even the guitarist, because the guitarist never turns around. The guitarist might on this one be like, damn. All right, level 4 pro. This is not clickbait. I am dead serious about this one. For the pro version of this, I feel like we would actually go back to the beginning and slow it down to like 60 BPM. I'm not kidding. That would be way harder for me in a musical situation than anything I've played so far. Hey, buddy, were you digging that one? Was that your jam? Look, I really mean it. That is the pro level version of this thing. What is a pro drummer? What is a pro musician? Generally, it's somebody that's mastered the fundamentals of their instrument. The fast version that I did for the advanced, I could do that honestly all day long, no big deal. I wouldn't even be nervous about it. If somebody wanted me to come into the studio and track that fill, da 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 da, goom goom, da 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 da, goom goom, da 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 da, full-blown Kelly Scott failure, Saturday Savior, that would scare the bejeepers out of me. Now let's be clear, the real lesson here is not right, left, kick. The real lesson is take simple ideas and think to yourself, how could I develop this? How could I move this forward? How could I get some forward momentum out of this idea? Paradiddles, double strokes, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left. There's so many basic, fundamental building blocks of our instrument that you could push forward, but you have to do it. You have to put in the work. Speaking of the work, if you need some guidance, that is my job. I am happy to help you. Go to Mikeslessons.com, tons of courses on this kind of stuff, and sessions where you and I actually get to work together. But for now, go practice. Or if you're still in the mood to watch some more videos, you can watch this video right here. I don't think this is gonna work, but I'm just gonna stick with it. I'm really hoping I can place a YouTube thumbnail like right here. This is gonna age terribly.